Okay, so sitting here for a week. I'm not sure got enough vehicles around here, so I believe manual choke, pump it a couple times. So, not right off on the first crank, but for standard fuel pump, I'd say that's pretty good. It is hot here today. The windows down, and I'm not usually a video person, so we will see how this goes. I'm also not registered, so I will just head down the road a little bit. And I don't even know how long of a video I can mail, so once I get into third gear, I'll probably shut off the video and send it your way.